Hi and welcome to the directory tutorial video. This video will take you through the features of the directory and how to use it. So let's click in. Directory is the listing of all registered citizens of Entropolis. On the left here you will see categories under which people with specialisms will be saved, but under all you will be able to see every single member of Entropolis and you'll be able to scroll down. If you click on the eye symbol, we'll just click on our example one, you will see their profile window open up, which will include a summary of their profile, a summary of every article that they've posted inside Entropolis, and any endorsements from other Entropolis users. Again, this is just a dummy profile for example purposes. If you want to talk to these people, you can actually contact them directly. So if you wanted to speak to, for example, Rebecca C, all you need to do is click on the send message icon and a pop-up window will appear and you can send Rebecca a message. Or alternatively, you can ask to add them to your network. So if you wish to add Rebecca to your network, just click on the person icon and send them a message, an invitation saying you would like to join their network. You can search for people by username, email address, and you can filter down through whether or not they're a parent or an educator or in the HQ. And you can go by all citizens, or you can actually see here there will be a listing as well. And then just hit go. Those are all the features of the directory. For more tutorials, simply click on the tutorials icon.